Hello, good morning to everyone. In the last class, I already told you what is bar graph. Okay, bar graph everyone know it is a bar graph. Okay, it is called a bar graph in which all of the bars have the uniform width. Uniform means all the bars have equal width. Okay, and they can be drawn vertically or horizontally. It is called vertical and this one called horizontally. So it is the first question of 9.3. It is given the bar graph given alongside shows the amount of wheat purchased by government during the year 98 to 2002. So it is the data given the wheat was purchased by the government in the year 98 to 2002. Read the bar graph and write down your observation in which year was. So and also one more thing given, you can see in the graph it is also given 1 unit equal to 5000. What is meaning of 1 unit? 1 unit mean beta when we will use scale, so we will everyone know our scale in centimeter na, so you can write in 1 centimeter equal to 5000 tons. So what is ton? Ton mean beta in 1 ton equal to 1000 kg. Always remember 1 ton equal to 1000 kg. It is not only just for your knowledge. 1 ton equal to 1000 kg. Okay. So it is the data is given. So now and one more thing given, 1 unit equal to 5000. It means we take from 0 to 1. So 1 means how many thousand? 0 to 5. So it means 5000. Okay, it is not only 1 centimeter, it is 5000. So now in A part, the in which year was the wheat production maximum? In which year wheat production maximum? So we will find a bar which is the greater, whose length is longer to compared to others. So which one? In 2002. Understand or not? To write, so you can write. So in wheat production was maximum in which year? 2002. To write in 2002. In 2002, wheat production production was maximum. Was maximum in more. Next B part, in which year the wheat production minimum? Minimum we will take a bar which is the salter. So which one? 80. So which one year? 98. So right in 98 wheat production was minimum. Okay. We can represent the data by pictograph also or bar graph also. Okay. In 9.1 pictograph is given, we find the data. In 9.2 data is given, we represented it in pictograph. But in 9.3 data in given in bar graph, we will represent in data. But in 9.4 data is given and we will represent in bar graph. Understand it? So it is your answer of the first question. Understand? Now question number 2. Read question number 2. Everyone. Question number 2. What is given? Observe this figure which is showing the sale of shirts in a ready-made shop from the Monday to. I am making the figure roughly, but you will make by scale and pencil. Okay, because if I make with scales, that is time taking some. Okay, so it is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. So 1 centimeter you can write. Okay, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 65 and 70. And next is given on Monday. How many? 15. On Monday Monday. Next is Tuesday. It is Tuesday. On Wednesday it is 20. Wednesday. Next Thursday 35. Thursday. Next is Friday 50. And next is last is Saturday. How much? 60. So it is Friday and Saturday. Okay, it is given the number of shirts sale in a ready-made shop from Monday to Saturday. It is given, and one more thing is given, 1 unit. It means 1 centimeter equal to, we are taking how much shirt? 5 shirt. You can write here also, it is 1 unit equal to 5 shirts. Okay, 5 shirts. So we have to find in first part, what information does the above bar graph? So this bar graph, what is showing, give us information. The information is given by this graph is the number of shirt is sold from Monday to Saturday. Understand? So you can write bar graph. Tell me, this is the bar graph about what? It is about number of shirt is sold. Number of shirts. Number of shirts sold. So number of shirts are sold from Monday to Saturday. Bar graph shows that number of shirts were sold from Monday to Saturday. Understand it? Now B part. B. What is the scale chosen? What is the scale we have to chosen on the horizontal line? It is horizontal line. It is vertical line. On the number of shirts. So tell me, already given. On the horizontal line 0 to 1, it means 0 to 1. 5 shirts. 5. So you write 1 unit equal to 5 shirts. We are using this scales already given 1 unit. It means 1 equal to 5 shirts. 5. Okay? Understand? Next is C. On which day were the maximum number of shirts sold? So number of maximum. So we will check it. A bar which is the longer of the other. So which one is on Saturday? And how many we will find out? It is 60. How many are 60? So we will write on Saturday maximum number of shirts were sold. Okay. Now one more thing is given, and he is asking how many shirts were sold on that day. So on that day, how many? On 60. So right? Total 60 shirts were sold. Understand? Now D part. On which day were the minimum number of shirts? So minimum is, which one is the shorter rectangle or bar? So which one? On Tuesday. So you can write on Tuesday. You can write Next, E part. How many shirts were sold on Thursday? So Thursday we will check like this one. So on Thursday how much? 35. You can check like this one. It is Thursday and it is how many shirts? 35. So right? On Thursday there is space problem. Okay, you can write on Thursday total 35 shirts were sold. It is your answer. Understand it? So in this question bar graph is given, we find data. But in 9.4 data is given, we will make bar graph. Understand it? So it is your second question. So third part, do yourself. Okay, it is very simple questions. You have to do yourself. Understand? Now we will do next exercise 9.4. In 9.3 we have already given bar graph. We make we find some information. Now some information is given in 9.4. We make a bar graph. Understand it? So now in 9.4. So first question, a survey of 120 school students were done to find which activity they prefer to do in their free time. So right, it is given preferred activity. Preferred activity. Preferred activity. Next is number of students given. And preferred activity, what is? Playing. How many students are like playing? There is 45. Next is reading storybooks. Storybooks how much? 30. Next is watching TV. How much? 20 students are like. Listening to music. Listening to music is 10. And next is painting. Painting is 50. So these are the some activity which was preferred by the some student. Reading storybooks, watching TV, listening to music and painting. Now draw a bar graph. Now we have to make a draw graph to illustrate. Illustrate means to explain the above data taking scale 1 unit equal to 5 student. But always remember beta, how we will choose the scale always. What is the minimum number? 10 and maximum 45. It means 10, 15, 20. So 5 also we are using. So we will, in the question is already given 1 unit equal to 5 student. So we will make bar graph like this one using scale. Okay, and in the question is given 1 unit equal to 5 student. So 45 student. Okay, so 1 unit equal to 5 student. So we will use 1 centimeter equal to 5. So we can use at 1. 0, 5, because 1 unit equal to 1 unit, it is 1 unit. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. It is given. And in the question you already write 1 unit equal to 5 students. Okay, there is 5 student. So now we have to represent in bar graph. Okay, here also you will draw. So this one also we can draw. Look at first is how many students playing? Playing 45. So 45 we will draw. It is 40. "45. It is a bar which is representing to playing. Okay, there is some space problem. Okay, next is playing. After this one, reading story books. How many students? 30 student. 30. Where is 30? It is 30. No. 30. So 30 student are. Next is what is? These are reading story books. Next, watching TV. How many students? 20. So we will 20. It is 20. Student watching TV. What is watching TV? Next is listen to music. How much student prefer? 10. That is 10. Okay. Listening to music. Last is 15 student painting. It is 15. Painting. So it is the bar graph. But you will use scale and pencil. Every bar have uniform width and equal space between them. So now we have to find answer. Which activity is preferred by student the most other than playing? So which activity is preferred by most of the students other than playing? So other than playing. So we will not take it playing. So other than playing, which activity is preferred more? So which one? 30. So reading story books. So you will write answer. Reading story books is preferred more than. What is given? By most other than. You write most other than. Other than which one? Other than playing. So other than playing, which one is most used? Reading story books. So it is your answer. Understand it? Now one more. Last. It is first question. Now in question number 2 also, one side you will write days and another side number of books sold. And what we will take? Draw a bar graph to represent the above information. Above information by using of scales. So we observe that in question number 2, data is given 65, 40, 65, 40, 30, 50, 20 and 70. So what we will take data? So you can take 1 unit equal to 5. What is given here? Shopkeeper on 6 consecutive draws. Now, so 5 books. 1 unit equal to 5 books. Or you can write 1 unit equal to 10 books also you can take. Both are right. Okay. You will do yourself third question. Now question number 4. Question number 3. Question number 3 is given. For the following table shows the number of bicycles manufactured. Number of bicycles manufactured of different years. How much? 800, 600, 900 and 1100 and 1200. We have to represent this data in bar graph. So what we will do? First we will make like this one a bar. But we observe that here minimum value is 600 and maximum is 1200. But if you will take 1 unit equal to only 5, so it is very difficult. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 45, 50, 52, 100, 105. So it is very difficult to represent. So in this case, what we will do? We will take a bigger number. So what we can take? 1 unit equal to, because it is starting from 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. So it means equal to 1000. And what is given? Number of 1 unit equal to 1000 bicycles. You can write bicycles. So now we will represent. Understand it? What is 1 unit equal to 100? 13, 12. Like this one. So it is 1 unit equal to 1000 is 100 bicycles. You can write 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Now 900. Same as it is 1000, 1100. Like this one you can show it. Okay. There is a space problem, that's why I am writing here also. It is 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 7, 800, 900, 1000, 1111 and 1200. Okay, I am rubbing this one. And next is given, years is given. We will use scales also. So now it is given. So you can write 1 unit equal to 100 bicycles. Okay? Bicycles. So what is given? In 98, how many? 800. So it is 800 you will represent. 800. This one is 998. Next is 90. It is given 9 after 98. It is 99. How much? 600. 99. Next is 900. 2000. Next is 2001. 11. And next is, it is given it is this one, 2001, 2002 is given. So it is the bar graph. Okay. So now we have to find which two is. So now we have to find in first part A, in which A part, in which year were the maximum number of bicycle, number of maximum in 2002. So you write in 2002. B part, in which year were the minimum number of, minimum is this one, which is in 99. So same as it is, you can do fourth question also. It is very simple. It is your answer. In question number 4, we will take dear 1 unit equal to 20,000. In question number 4, 1 unit equal to 20,000. Already given in question. Okay, you can do yourself. So this our chapter is also finished. If you have any problem, you can ask me. You can call me anytime. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.